back to my channel. For people who know me and for people who don't, I'm Gaurika, and it's been so long since I posted something. Namdu trip mugudu na vapas bandmele I was very exhausted from the trip because it was almost 15 days trip ittu. I had to record, edit, travel and stuff, so I was very exhausted. That's one reason. The other reason was nanu almost 15 days leave the college and I had so much syllabus to cover, like notes, assignments and classes and attendance. The very big thing is attendance. I didn't have attendance. I had a lot of issue. I have to get letters signed, I have to get permissions and stuff, so I was very busy. My college life was in crisis, so I just couldn't vlog. And now, like after 3 months, my entire second sem is almost over. Like namdu second exam nadidide, first exam maths mugitu. Iga it's like 1 o'clock now and 2 gantege nandu exam ide. Even though I didn't shoot anything, I did explore a lot of new places. I ate a lot of new food. I enjoyed life in the last 3 months. I also had a birthday. Like I literally had the best birthday of my life this year. I gained, even though nan hostel alli idrunu, I gained about 4 to 5 kgs, and here I am. I just enjoyed like these 3 months, but I still wish I could vlog all that because I would be so happy watching them again, but I couldn't. So now I'm vlogging. So after this exam, like physics exam mugidmele namge 6 days gap ide basic electronics ke. So in those 6 days nanu manege hogbeku anta decide madidini. So after today's exam namge 2 inda 5 vargu exam ide. So exam mugidmele I'll be going back home. So I'm late. I have to have lunch, I have to get my letter signed to go home, I have to pack stuff. So let's go. And guys, I wanted to show you my hair. Look, oh my god, isn't it cute? Kind of got long already, but this half pony looks so good. I just like this hairstyle a lot these days. And this is my OOTD.
3 hours later.
Okay guys, I'm done with my exams. It went quite well, but one question with TV. It's only for 5 marks, but it's okay. It was raining actually, and I'll be going home. Manege hogokkinte munche ನಾವು ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ cake cut ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು. So after cutting the cake, I'll be going bye.
Now exam books barashtrali it was already raining. It was a pleasant weather. Then I went back to my hostel, packed all my stuff, and Yashub cake cut marsi I left. Traveling back home is always tiring, but at the end of the day, meeting my dogs is worth all the struggle.
Oh my god! Leo illoda! Illi Leo! Okay guys, I just got back home. Like college in the Odostರಲ್ಲಿ almost 5:30 to 6 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ರಶ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಟೆ, ಬಟ್ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ರಶ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಅಂತೂ ಕೇಳಲೇಬೇಡಿ, there were thousands of people and I literally couldn't stand there. And now that I'm finally home, it's about 7 and ರಾಮನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, that is ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಹಬ್ಬ, and the whole town looks so beautiful. So let's see what I'll be doing for the next like 2 to 3 days, because I have to go back because I have exams after that. So let's see. I'd like to spend some good time here for the next 2 to 3 days. So I'll go freshen up now and I'll talk to you guys later. Look at this cute teddy bear. ಕಿಟ್ಟುಗೆ ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಕಣ್ಣತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಬರೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಡಿ ಮರಿ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈಸ್ ಸೋ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಕಿರು, ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. Okay guys, so me and Leo came out for a walk. So we're gonna walk around a bit, have some fresh air, we'll chill out for a while, and then we'll be going back and we're gonna sleep because it's kind of late. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay, we are back now and it's kind of rainy these days, so You have to like wipe their paws.
The next day.
Hi guys, it's the next day. It's around 10:30 in the morning. I just made breakfast for everyone. We had our breakfast. I'll probably watch a movie because as long as I'm home, I'll get free Wi-Fi. So I deserve to watch like 2 or 3 movies before I go back. So I'm gonna watch a few movies. And Sanjay around 6 puja ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. So let's go watch a movie. Look who's here. He doesn't like rain. Guys, I just finished watching Thanksgiving on Netflix and it's incredible, I swear. Like, it's a serial killer horror movie, and if you're not soft-hearted, you should definitely watch that. It's a 10 on 10. It was really good.
My dad picked up some pasta last week, and as I was home, I cooked pasta for everyone. I extremely love cooking. If I was not doing engineering, I would have definitely took up hotel management.
The pasta is so good. Okay guys, I'm getting my hairs oiled and ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅವರು ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡೋ ಎಣ್ಣೆನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೂದಲಿಗೆ, and it makes our hairs so soft. Like, it's really good. But ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತರೋ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, so everyone in our house prefers this oil.
Later.
ಪಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಪಪ್ಪಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಆಚೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಂಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? ನೀನಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಬಾ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಪನ ಚಮಚಗಳು ಇವರಿಬ್ರು. ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಪಂಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಿತ್ತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, done fighting. Someone is not letting me have my pasta. He wants my pasta. Not only him, but this guy as well. They both want my pasta. And I'm not giving it to you guys. That's it. Show you guys the only trick he knows. Okay, shake hand. Good boy. High five. Good boy.
2 hours later.
Guys, everything is almost ready and it's around 5:45 right now. In 15 minutes of puja start agute. So I'll comb my hairs and we'll go to the puja. Let's go. ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಿಟ್ಟು, ಮಾಮಿ ನೋಡಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು? ನೀವ್ ಯಾರು ಕಿಟ್ಟು ದೇವ್ರ ನೋಡಕ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವನ್ಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಬಾಕ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಒಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾ? ಒಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ರಿಗೂ? ಒಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಒಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
नमः ओम श्रीये नमः ओम भास्कराये नमः ओम बिल श्री मनोहारिणीय रत्नाकर मंथन प्रगटित विष्णोचयागे.
Okay, so let me show you guys my outfit. Like, this is an old dress, but it still fits me perfectly and I'm so obsessed with the fitting. Okay guys, puja ella mugdaitu. We are gonna have our dinner and watch a movie now. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let's meet in our next vlog. Bye bye.